Alright, if you're curious on how to remove this cruise control cluster button stuff right here, then what you'll need to do is remove the airbag. And to do that, you gotta take out the two Torx. These are T40s. There's gonna be one in there and one down here. You take those two out, and then the airbag will actually, you can pull out the bottom first, and you can pull out the top, pull it down. Don't mind the wiring. Some other person did this, but this is my parts car, so that it's not driving anymore, if you're wondering. But once you get the airbag down, you can either disconnect it or you can leave it, doesn't matter. But what you're looking at right here is one screw right in here, and this is the bracket that holds this piece on. Sorry, my finger's in the way. So take that screw out. There's a clip behind here. I'm still in the process of removing it, so I'm not exactly sure how it's clipped in here. Oh, just like that. Okay, so you saw it, live pretty much. I didn't do this before, but you do have to take that screw out. I guess it's just press fit in over here, so I literally just pulled up from right here towards me and kind of away this way, and it popped right out. So you take this out, take the screw out first, then do this, and then you can just do this clip in the back, which I think you just press the top in, if I believe correctly, and you pull it back, and then you can remove it and replace it with your other one.